Major investigation underway after police killed gunman who breached security at the Hunts Bay police station. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com, as well as to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, an absolute disaster. Road Safety Council reacts to Trelawney crash which left 4 people dead. And what do Jamaicans think about municipal corporations in their area? The latest in the RGR Gleaner Don Anderson polls. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. Details right after this break.